All right, let's move on. Your topic is describe a daily routine that you enjoy. Present tense. Please, you can start.
I have so many daily routines in my in daily life, but my favorite one is to wake up early in the morning and pray. For both these purposes, I need a mosque and a park. Fortunately, both are near to my house, and I am visiting it at daily basis because uh, after on my way after on my way to back I take a shower because it takes me because it makes me fresh and healthy all over the day. Yeah, because I'm that's my daily
Okay,
routine
thank you
because I
so
feel fresh
much.
and
Now,
enjoying.
you took a long pause and you're lacking ideas. It's a good idea to talk about one routine. For example, if you have a routine of going to the park for morning walk, so you can just describe that, talk about it, what it is, where and when you do it. So your answer should be precise according to the topic and talk about one thing, it will be better. Okay, and as you talk, use a variety of words. For example, if you say, when I reach the park, first of all I warm up there. Warm up
Home
is
up
good
there, yeah.
vocabulary, right? Then I take some yoga classes, and there are some yoga classes, so you need to expand your ideas.
Expand your
Okay, don't repeat the same things, routine, 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 routine. Instead of saying routine, you say on the daily
on the
basis,
daily basis, yeah.
regularly, every day. These words will improve your bench score. Okay,
Okay,
yes,
thank you.
that's good. All right. The topic is describe a place you visited where the air was polluted.
As you know, sir, nowadays pollution is everywhere, and it is difficult to find the place where the air is not polluted. I would like to say that I visited, I think in July, Faisalabad for the help of Sir Asad Abbas. Let me clear you the doubt of Asad Abbas. He was the legendary singer, and his popular song is Kadi Amil Samal Yarve, and he is the winner of first Sangeet icon among the 25,000 candidates. He was suffering from kidney failures, and I reached in Faisalabad, I think 10 July or 11 July. So I helped Saraswat Bas, but when I reached in Faisalabad, I feel sensation in my eyes, and I feel my eyes are watering. And as I look my as I look at my brother, he was also facing the same problem. And then I came to know, as you know, sir, the Faisalabad is the city of industry. So there are many factories and lot of vehicles which release smoke, and this cause the air pollutions. And I live in the Punjab, a small town of Punjab, where and this town is surrounded by many trees and fields and crops. So I was habitual the in living.
Okay, 1 minute 40 seconds. Overall, your answer is good, but you're mixing present and past tenses. The topic is in the past tense. So it's a good idea to speak about the past tense only. Number one. Number two, as you talked about that singer and he was suffering, and that was the purpose of visit. So don't describe the singer too much. Just speak about him a little. The purpose of visit was to visit that singer who was sick, so I wanted to see him there. And then come back to pollution. Your main topic is pollution and past tense, right? All the things in the past tense, right? Otherwise, it's good. You spoke for 1 minute 40 seconds, which is good. All right, that's good. Now, let's go on. Your topic is describe an actor or actress whom you admire.
I'm very fond of watching movies and TV dramas, and I admire all those actors and actresses who live their lives and who live their life. uh, Basically, I like most actors, but actually, I will talk about Feroz Khan, who has really impressed me with his acting, He did minor roles in early movies and TV dramas, but his TV drama Khani make me impressed. And then he got many fame after this drama. And one of his famous TV drama is Khuda Aur Mohabbat, which got many famous, and it interacted most youngster to himself, and he became a famous star after this drama. And I listened her interview on Geo News where he tell about his background. He has a very humble background, and he is a very kind person. He struggled a lot of much to get this position, and he really.
Okay, that's good. You just need to conclude your answer, but you've spoken for 1 minute and 10 seconds, which is good. Talk time should be 1 minute minimum, but overall it's good, and you can practice together as well. One should become examiner, second candidate, and like this you can practice, okay? Good job, keep it up. Okay, Yasser is gone, I guess. Okay, now we've got, all right. Yeah. 1 second, please. Okay, so your topic is describe your idea of a perfect home or a dream house where you would like to live. Yes, please.
Recently, I lived in a village. Before my marriage, I lived in a city. I live in a village. My village name is 2229R. The city name is Fort Rabas. My room has three rooms and a kitchen and a vast yard. But there are in a village, but there are no facilities such as hospitals and commercial areas and college, universities. That is why I prefer to live in a city. In a city, my house is an ideal because there is a true small house. In a village, a big house, the maintain is very difficult. In a city, small house and clean it up and decorate it very easy. And I
Okay, thank you so much. You've spoken for 1 minute 29 seconds. Actually, the topic is different, and you have described the house where you are living now. The topic is describe your idea of a perfect home. Perfect home is a dream house where you want to live, not where you are living, where you want to live. So you need to talk about that, okay? And I would advise you to learn tenses: present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, and present perfect. These four tenses will help you in IELTS writing and IELTS speaking. Okay? It'll be fine then. Thank you.